Okay, in this video guys, we're going to look at how you turn off sectioning for a particular part within an assembly that's been sectioned. So, Australian Standard says that you shouldn't be sectioning a washer. Now, by default with ours, when we put in parts from the content library, they don't get sectioned, which is really good. But we made this special washer for this project. We've made it as a part by itself, so it will get sectioned because it's going to behave like every other part. So to change that, what we're going to need to do is you're going to open up the assembly that you've put into your drawing and double click on the part that you need to modify. Then go up to Tools, Document Settings, go to Modeling, and deselect Participate in Assembly and Drawing Selections. Go to Apply and Close. You're then going to go to Return. I then will go into my drawing here, okay, and we'll see that it is still showing the sectioning. So if I double click on this view now, and I got to display options, and underneath standard parts for section, we're going to say that we're going to go to never. And I'm going to click OK. And it's taken away the section for there and displays it as if it has not been cut. So that's pretty straightforward if you follow those steps. What I've had trouble with is turning it back on. So if I double click on this and I go, oh, hang on, I want it back on for some reason, and I'll go, oh, it was doing obey, and I'll click OK, nothing's happened, there's no update icons, I can't figure out how to get it to come back on. Well, from just playing around with it, I went to display options and I went to always, and it does it to everything. Double click on it, and then if you've made the changes, you've got to make the changes back here on its settings as well, but then it will update it for you. So display options and obey. It's still not doing it because I haven't changed it back here as well. So that was Tools, Document Settings, Modeling, and I'll turn it back on, Apply, Close, Return. And even still it's not updating here, so then double click on this. So it can get very clunky. So if you do it right first time, it should just work. So just follow the first part of the video and you should be sweet. And we'll go Obey Browser, and so now it's updated itself. Cool, hope that helps.